This is another breaking news. Court adjourns Nnamdi Kanu's trial till October 21 as DSS fails to produce Nnamdi Kanu in the court in Abuja. Justice Binta Iyanko of the Federal High Court, Abuja, has adjourned the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, to October 21 following the failure of the Department of State Security Services, DSS, to produce him in court today, July 26th. When the matter was called up, Justice Binta Iyanko said nothing could be done since the defendant, Nnamdi Kanu, wasn't produced in court by the DSS. According to the prosecution counsel, Muhammad Abubakar, Kanu was not in court due to logistics reasons. Justice Iyanko then ordered the DSS to allow Kanu's lawyer Ifeanyi Ejiofor access to his client, and she also promised to work with lawyers to the prosecution and defense and head of the security team to work out a plan to allow Ejiofor access to his client, who he claims he hasn't seen in 8 days. Justice Iyanko then adjourned the case till October 21st, but said the date could be brought back if the prosecution was able to obtain a fiat from the court's chief judge to allow proceedings during the ongoing vacation of the court. Kanu is standing charges bordering on terrorism, treasonable felony, unlawful possession of firearms, and management of an unlawful society. Nigeria. Now we are in the real zoo that is called Nigeria. Okay, the question is being asked. Many Nigerians have been reacting. Is DSS greater than the laws in Nigeria? Say, are you just knowing? Well, nobody is greater than the law, or nobody is greater than the constitution. Everybody is needed to obey the law in the land or the law in Nigeria. But as it is, Nigeria is no more the Nigeria we should, clamor for. The Nigeria that we have now is Buhari's country, not Nigeria as a whole. It's the country of Buhari. It's the Buhari and his people that are ruling the country, not the constitution or not the federalism that is meant to be portrayed. When you say on the 26th is the hearing for your counsel to be defended or for something to take place in the court of law, that day shouldn't be failed. And if you say 10 is 10, 6 is 6, 9 is 9, 26, which is today, supposed to be 26, there shouldn't be any interference. Now you are telling us logistics. What is logistics? So since a month or 2 that you've arrested Nnamdi Kanu, there was no plan for logistics. Is that what this present administration is telling us? There's no plan for logistics. Why today? Why now? Why is things in Nigeria so awkward? Even to take someone to court, there is problem. Now, as it is in Benin Republic, Sunday Igboho is in court. It's already in court. There is no mincing word. There is no excuse for that. Well, according to Nigerians, commenting on this, they say they killed him and they want to be adjourning the case. Remember, God is seeing you people and your doings. Somebody is really confirming that Nnamdi Kanu might have been killed, and they are just trying to hide Nnamdi Kanu, or they would just keep adjourning the case till 2023. It's like you want the anger of the law to come upon you by saying, go and complain to that your God. Okay, this person is replying to the comment that someone says it seems Nnamdi Kanu has been killed. So somebody is replying that statement that go and complain to your God. Then this man says it's like you want the anger of the Lord to come upon you by replying to that person who says go and complain to your God. God is so merciful. These people are very, very wicked. They want to keep Nnamdi Kanu in detention for a long time in order to achieve their evil plans. But God will destroy their plans. Right now, we need to face reality. That guy is probably dead. And even if they would bring him to court, nobody can verify if it's actually Nnamdi Kanu. Nigerians seem to have forgotten it is Muhammadu Buhari. He believes in the Cretu or one military regime, and this idiot actually thinks no court will judge him. Well, Nnamdi Kanu is not dead, please. But I believe what goes around will surely come around. Let them do whatever they like. Victory is ours, according to a member of indigenous people of Biafra. Okay, now, why are they afraid? Why can't they provide Nnamdi Kanu? Nnamdi Kanu might have been killed. It is a very sad one, but let's see what will unveil, because this present administration of Buhari is not even ready. Yeah, well, maybe this is God in action. God is just so merciful. What's it called? Buhari is not ready to surrender to the truth and to the good will of the people. Well, 2023 is fast approaching, but let's look at it in this way. With this arrest here and there, Nnamdi Kanu caught here, Sunday Igboho caught here, an arrest, and making the southern Nigeria furious. The leaders of the southern Nigeria should realize that the northern agenda is getting tough every day by day. The evil deed or their evil plan is getting more obvious. Seems the Ohanese and the Afenifere should open their brain and their head. Don't let the Buhari administration deceive you people. You are deceiving yourself. If you don't know, if you still believe that you are still in one Nigeria, you are being deceived, because this present administration cannot favor either the Yorubas or the Igbos, or in generally the southern Nigeria have been eliminated from the one Nigeria. It's just very obvious, except if greed will not allow you to see what is unveiling. So everybody needs to put their hands on deck and watch, because the more you see or the more you look, the less you see, or the more you see, the blinder you become, because you keep getting blind. Okay now. Okay, my brother, now you get your mouth, but don't worry, we'll soon find out what is bigger than you, because that is how they kept Elza Zaki till today. Keep adjourning. But notwithstanding, let's watch and see. It is not over until it's over. I swear I didn't want to believe it at first, but I know now for sure Buhari, Fulani Janjaweed government has killed this guy. The next headline is that MNK was absent from court for security reasons. They had intention, and intel indigenous people of Biafra was going to attack the country, the court rather. Maybe that was what they thought, and one excuse after the other, that's what they'll be bringing, because they knew quite alright that the indigenous people of Biafra, if they hear Bakam that Nnamdi Kanu is dead, there will be trouble. Well, they'll keep adjourning. Let's keep our fingers crossed, though we've not heard anything about maybe he's dead or not. Well, you are welcome to Buhari second military regime alongside the Daura secret service called the DSS.